Everybody, welcome back yet again. Another unboxing, of course. I can't help myself. Got an order today in from AK Stuff. I was pretty leery about this company, actually. I saw their website and I was like, I really don't know if they're legit. I was pretty nervous about ordering from them. Anyway, so as you guys might have seen in the past, I'd gotten a Rally Defense AK-74 kit. Link up here, or card up here. It came with a cleaning rod that didn't fit it. It came with an AK-47 cleaning rod. Be that as it may, I was like, well, forget it. I'm going to get a Russian AK-74 cleaning rod, which is what's in here today. And then while I was digging around their website, I also saw that they had some sets of stripper clips. That AK-74 cleaning rod, that Russian one, was advertised at $9.99. Their sets of stripper clips were advertised at $10.99. Came fairly quickly, so without further ado, let's dive off in here. Let's see what I got. I'm very curious. Like I said, I was scared to death to order from them because I'd never ordered anything from them, and I had no clue what I was in store for. That's the invoice. We'll leave that to the side. Like I said, I needed a cleaning rod that would actually fit my AK-74, and that's precisely why I bought this one. Well, it's packed pretty tightly, to be honest. Other than the tape. Yeah, definitely gonna have to degrease this one. That's for sure. Wow, this has just gone from ridiculous to more ridiculous. Okay. Well, I certainly protected it. And it is brand new. This one is actually the one that's, I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's actually got the curved, slightly curved tipped instead of squared off. And it looks brand new. I'll try to insert a picture of the threads here. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But the threads are perfect. I mean, this thing looks like it's never been used. And that is for my Rally Defense AK-74. Now, like I said, they had some AK-74 stripper clip sets. So I was like, ah, well, you know what? I don't think I have any. Might as well get some. Looks like each one of them came with a spoon. Just surplus. But they look pretty good. There's the spoon. That set's pretty nice. Let's check this one out. This one has a slight amount of surface rust right here. But, I mean, come on, it's surplus. I'm not overly concerned. Of course, there's the spoon that clips onto your mag. Flipping it over. It just looks like a little bit of surface rust from long-term storage, to be honest. But, looks nice. So, 2 sets of stripper clips with spoons. AK-74 cleaning rod. All that for, you know, roughly 30 bucks. I think it was well worth it. This is what I was really wanting and really needing for that Rally Defense kit. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. Just want to share that with you real quick. If you guys haven't been to their site, I can't tell you the website, but just go out and search for AK stuff. Like I said, I was pretty skeptical, looked a little sketchy to me, but they came through. So here you have it. They are legit. I did get my order, and I don't have any complaints on it. So anyway, as always, guys, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Plenty more content on the way. I've got so many projects. Maybe I should just rename the channel to Endless Projects. I have no idea. But anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.